I'm Susan. Today I am participating in Junk Journal January and we are on day 10 and our prompt is layered. This challenge is hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And I've really enjoyed doing this. So I'm going to cut up the music and I'm going to speed it up and let you watch what I do. So I'll be back at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we are. I really wished I hadn't put that there. I thought it would dry clear, but it dried clear, but it left up the rest of the vellum. And this sticker keeps wanting to curl, but I do like how it turned out, and I hope you do as well. It's number 10, and it's layered. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Check out Meg's channel and Get Messy Art, and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. So until next time, bye y'all.